Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change video frame rate in CapCut. So you can find a frame rate option. After you finish editing the video, you can click the export button in the top right corner and you can getting the frame rate option here from 24 fps until 60 fps, and I think the higher frame rates will be smoother the video. So if you want to capture a quick movement and slow motion, you can select this 60 frames per second, and if not, set at 30 frames per second. So when generating the video for social media, you can shooting at 60 fps, and because everything is displayed at 30 fps, so and you can click the export button. Okay, that's how to change video frame rate in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciate.